Very quickly in this video, we're going to be looking at the Jasmy price update on the daily time frame, the BTC price update on the daily time frame as well. We are going to be talking about the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame. Not to forget this very important Jasmy liquidation heat map on the weekly time frame. Likewise to this very important Jasmy 4-hour chart that is currently trading inside. The Jasmy price action is currently bouncing in between the descending broadening wedge. You understand? We're going to be talking about this chart as well. Very important. Not to forget, our volume is now up 46% from the last time we made a video. I think we're down massively in the last video we made, and our market cap is currently sitting at $990 million. We are up 2.5% in the last 24 hours, and by volume we are ranked number 74th position out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. Jasmy current price is currently sitting at 0.01865. Please, before we proceed, if you haven't liked this video, like this video. On the 4-hour time frame, Jasmy price is currently at 0.01867. We have 3 hours 51 minutes for this 4-hour candle, current 4-hour candle to close. Now this is a broadening wedge. The reason why I'm projecting this move for Jasmy is because now we are currently trading inside a descending broadening wedge, and a breakout to the upside is likely to happen when we have maybe retraced to at least filled 50% of this week or filled 100% of the week, because we've talked about this week countless times in our video. Let's head back to the daily time frame for Jasmy coin so that we can get a clear picture. Now this week right here, you're seeing right here around 0.01549 is a very important and tricky week. You understand? Now we might get a bounce from here directly to the upside, which we might still get a rejection from this point around 0.023 zone. We've already retraced the week by 50%. You understand? Which if we should get a bounce from here, it's fine, but I still doubt if we won't drop lower. So I believe there is still higher chances of we dropping once again to retest this 0.0154 zone before getting a bounce to the upside. And if we're dropping to retest that zone, it's going to be the completion of this descending broadening wedge pattern. You understand? And that's that for that. The moment we're flipping the broadening wedge, the upper trend line right here, which is likely to be the resistance, the moment we're flipping it into a support, then it's going to be a moonshot all the way to the previous high around 0.020. Because if you're paying attention to what the liquidation heat map is saying, we have massive liquidity around that zone for Jasmy coin. We have over $500,000 worth of liquidity around that zone, and also the zone around 0.0196. We have over $520,000 worth of liquidity as well on the weekly time frame around that zone as well. If you're paying attention to BTC liquidation heat map as well, yeah, we have a lot of liquidity to the upside around $59,000 to $60,000 respectively. But not to forget that we also have another liquidity around 57k, which is over 380 million. We also have another liquidity around 56k as well, which is over $425 million. Now a lot of you might be having a lot of unanswered questions like, what are we to expect next for BTC? Now let's head over to the BTC chart. Now this is my own opinion. You understand? Yours might be different, but as long as BTC continue to trade in between this channel right here, I see no reason to panic. Even if we should drop to fill this week around 49k dollars, we will get a sharp bounce to the upside. You understand? So if you start saying BTC drop to this trend line around 52,000, do not panic. As long as we are not losing this trend line, this lower support, flipping it, turning it into a resistance, there's no cause for alarm. And the moment BTC is able to break above this upper trend line, which is likely to be the resistance around 67k, flipping it into a support, then nothing is stopping BTC from taking the all-time high. And the moment the previous all-time high, which was around 73k, is broken and flipped into a support, then it's going to be a massive moonshot, honestly, all the way to $100,000 for BTC. That is when the bulls are going to return. That is when the FOMO are going to kick in. Let's look at what the BTC dominance is saying real quick. We talked about the dominance in our previous video. The current dominance percentage is 57.58%. We have 4 days and 0 hours for this weekly candle to close. Now, the moment the dominance is able to successfully flip the 57.39% zone into a support, then we should expect 60%, which our altcoins are not going to find it funny. But there's no cause for alarm, because the crash from there is going to be massive and is going to be bullish for our altcoin bag and also the overall cryptocurrency market. The moment you start seeing 52%, that is a sign, an indication that we are in the early stage of the altcoin market. 47%, the overall altcoin market should be in a ballistic mode. 42%, oh my god, everything is going to be a massive gain, massive profit. For those new to Cryptonomy platform, we talked about Cryptonomy in one of our videos few months ago. I did a live staking of some of my Jasmy coin in that video, and I promised you guys I was going to make update you guys on how it's going, you understand? So let's just check the update so far. As you can see, I'm currently on the flexible staking option, and which I staked about 56,000 Jasmy coin, and so far we've earned 3,334 Jasmy coin in the total end, and the accrued interest so far is currently at 106 Jasmy coin. By the time the profit has accumulated in this accrued interest section, it is going to be transferred to your wallet, which is this wallet right here. Is going to be transferred to your wallet at the beginning of the next month, and this is where you get to see the daily reward you are earning in Jasmy. And as you can see, I've earned 26.67 Jasmy so far. The next earning is going to update in 14 hours 10 minutes, you understand? And the APR for this flexible staking is 34.58%, you understand? So that's that for that. If you have to click on transaction right here, you get to see when I deposited this Jasmy coin. I deposited it on the 29th of April 2024. I deposited 56,000 Jasmy coin, you understand? So that's that for that. And let's just go to our wallet section to see what's up. Click on your wallet in order to visit your wallet section. As you can see over here, I have close to $17,000 worth of BTC, and also over $2,000 worth of Pepe coin, and the the total end Jasmy so far in the staking pool is around $62, you understand? So if you are to click on the transaction right here, if you are to click on transaction, you get to see the amount I've deposited so far, and also I deposited over $2,000 USDT, and also I deposited 0.26 BTC, you understand? And this is the total end Jasmy so far, you understand? September 1st, we earned 826 Jasmy coin, August 826, July 800, the list goes on and on and on, you understand? So yeah, that's that for that. I'm going to be investing this BTC I deposited into the Launchpool staking option, and also I'm going to be depositing the USDT and also the Pepe in the fixed deposit option. So let's go back to the click on your interest account to go back to the staking market, you understand? So if you're to click on the fix, staking option, because the fixed staking option is more profitable than the flexible staking option. If you are to click on my deposit right here, you get to see my BTC in the fixed deposit option, because I activated this fixed deposit staking option for BTC in April 24, 2025, you understand? And as you can see over here, is active. The return on investment expected is 76.9%, you understand? And this is the accrued interest so far, 0.0090 BTC, and the scheduled interest is going to be 0.025377 BTC, you understand, in the space of 12 months. So the interest and my capital is going to be credited to my wallet by the time this staking pool expires, you understand, which is going to be April 24th, 2025, which is next year, because the period for this staking is 12 months. So I'm going to be staking some of my USDT. You understand? You can just basically search it here. I'm going to be staking it in this fixed staking option in order to yield more return for me. And I might be going for just a 6-month plan. You understand? So let's just begin with Jasmy real quick. You can just type in Jasmy there and then click on deposit. And as you can see, we have a balance of close to 60,000 Jasmy coin. You understand? So you can just available wallet balance is 3,000, while the flexible account balance is 56,311. You understand? So you can either just go for max, and then so you can decide to go for either 6-month staking or 12-month staking. By the time you've selected the period you wish to stake in the fixed deposit, in the fixed staking option, you can just click on continue, click on I have read, and then click on create. You understand? Your order to create request sent, as you can see over here. Great. So as you can see over here, our Jasmy staking is now live. So we are done. This is our active fixed staking pool. So far we have BTC there, we have Jasmy, we have Peppercoin, we have Tether. And so the next thing to do is to click on this launch pool, because there's a very important update in the launch pool section. So the launch pool on the Cryptonomy, it is more like the flagship product, ensuring maximum profit and security. You have to pay attention to the event statistic in which Cryptonomy participate, and also the overall launch pool statistic at the top of this page. These are the past project, past event, as you can see over here, past event. And this particular project sale price was 0.01 and the return on investment was 1.2x. You understand? That is over 120%. They raised 635,000. Total raised was 3.3 total raise was over $3 million, and it happened in August 25th, 2024. The list goes on and on and on and on. You understand? So if you want to create a contract on this platform, I'm going to be creating a contract here. You can just basically click on create contract. To create a contract, you just have to use the available resources you have here. You understand? So I'm going to be using the entire BTC I have, which is 0.293 BTC. That is close to $17,000, if not over $17,000, depending on the current price of BTC. You understand? And after that, you can just click on browse right here. It's already selected. And I will be going. The expected profit is going to be around the maximum expected profit for creating this contract on the launch pool is going to be 5x. That is 500%. You understand? Daily expected minimum income is 0.5%. You understand? And profit sharing is going to be 50%. You understand? Contract ends September 4th, 2025. So you have to pay attention to all these details. After that, you can just click on continue and click on I have read and agreed to Cryptonomy general end terms and conditions. And after that, you can just basically click on create contract. So as you can see over here, my request to create a contract on the launch pool has been sent. So hopefully by the time everything goes well, I'm going to come out with massive profit, as you can see over here. And this is my what's it called, positions. And I just created a contract that is expected to end September 5th, 2025. And the status is currently active. You understand? The expected return on investment is going to be 1x to 5x. I'm going to be giving you guys an update in my subsequent video on how the staking is going. You understand? As always, invest the amount you can afford to lose. Always do your own research before jumping on whatever anybody say on the internet. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Whatever I say in this video should not be regarded as financial advice. And yeah, so as always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.